Namaskar. My name is Nandkishor Vakare and I'm a food entrepreneur from Pune. Uh, During the establishment of our food brand, during the establishment of our R&D setup and manufacturing setup, I came across a lot of pressures. I later came across a lot of hard ones and failures, and it started taking toll of my mind. So when I was desperately looking for solution, some of my industrial friends recommended me Shoonyas. Shoonyas is the agency which not only mentors, coaches you for business, but they also have a division called Conscious, which is led by Mrs. Nilima, which helps you to adopt and learn certain techniques, which improves your breathing pattern, which also helps you to counter your pressures by letting you enter into meditational phase. And they also have certain customized solution for your problem. So wherever you come across certain pressure related situations, where your peace of mind gets hampered, where your sleeping pattern gets disturbed, and you need certain help, external help, that you should definitely approach Shunyas, especially conscious decision. And Mrs. Nilima would definitely help you work like how she helped me. And now, after going through her sessions, I think those were 6 sessions which we had together. My sleeping pattern now has improved drastically. I am much capable to counter and adopt certain techniques which helps me to go down well with pressures, and also helps me to remain calm in all odd situations. So I will highly recommend Mrs. Nilima of Shoonyas of Conscious Division for her techniques and for her therapies to ensure that you have a calm mind and you are focused countering pressures. So Nilima, thank you so much for helping me, and I look forward to have certain more sessions for my team, and wish you all the best for your future endeavor, and keep helping people. Thank you.